Hello and welcome to PowerDrift QuickEase, where we get you information quickly and in the easiest way possible. Today is a very special day because it's day one of the Bharat Mobility Show 2025, and it's also a special day because we are very close to hitting 3 million subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting us from day one, and we really appreciate it. Okay, let's talk motorcycles, and kicking things off for us in the two-wheeler department is the TVS Jupiter CNG. We saw some patent designs a few months ago, but this time around we are seeing it in flesh. Now TVS are calling this a concept. Honestly, this looks more than a concept. It looks super close to the production version, but deliveries launch date has not been specified yet. I'm going to quickly take you through the specs. Now if you see the specs of the Jupiter 125, it makes roughly 10 horses. Here it is making less power, less torque as well. Top speed is 80 kilometers per hour, and I'm going to show you how the CNG is fit into this system. If you can move closer, you open the boot. Now where the storage space was on the Jupiter 125 is where the CNG tank will sit. This is a 1.4 kilogram tank, and the fuel tank will sit below the floorboard here on the CNG Jupiter. The fuel tank capacity has also been reduced. It's now 2 liters only. The combined range, CNG and petrol, is approximately 222 kilometers. But that's pretty much it. There is no indication on the pricing. In fact, if you remember, the Freedom has a very dedicated button when it comes to switching between petrol and CNG modes. I don't see that here yet. Maybe TVS will work on something in the future and make that happen. But for now, this is just a display. This is just a showcase. Now, the CNG or scooters in general are more utilitarian, and because of where the CNG tank is placed, that aspect is missing. But you still have, let's say, a cubby hole on the front apron. You still have hooks on both ends where you can hang luggage or whatever your daily groceries or just bags in general. But that's pretty much it. We'll figure out what TVS does with this product in the coming months. More on that later, but this is just the start of a very interesting expo here in Delhi. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, and PowerDrift will answer all those comments. See you in a bit with some more motorcycling content and some more content in general from Bharat Mobility Show 2025. My name is Varun Painter, and I will see you later.